Hello, just a quick one for you today. GoPro have literally just dropped the update, long-awaited update, that enables the Max Lens mod, but you're not going to find it in the normal places where you expect to get updates. So for this one, you're going to need to go to the website that I'm linking down in the description, and when you're there, you can download the firmware. Now, it's a beta firmware, so it's not officially recognised. It's not going to be on the apps or anything like that. You're not going to be able to update through the app. What it says here is this beta version is based on the official firmware that's going to be coming out in December, and it's not available through the GoPro Quick app, and you have to manually update. So to do that, you're going to click here to download it. Then once that's downloaded, you're going to unzip that folder, and then you're going to place that whole folder on the root of an SD card that you're going to then put into your camera. Mine renamed itself Update 2. That's because I happen to already have an update folder in, so it automatically gave it a number 2. If that does that to you, definitely remove the number so it just reads Update. Okay. Let's get rid of that 2. Put that on your SD card in the root, so in the very first area you get to when you open up the SD card. Put the folder there, and then when you've safely ejected your card, you can put it into your GoPro Hero 10 camera. And then when you turn on the camera, it's going to automatically do the update. So you'll see a cogwheel at the back and on the front. Now what happened with mine during the update, the rear screen went black, but the front screen still showed a cog turning to say the update was still ongoing. And once that had completed, it restarted itself, and then away I was. And once you've attached the Max Lens mod, swipe down from the top, select the Max Lens mod option, and there you have it, the Max Lens mod finally compatible with the GoPro Hero 10. Now do bear in mind that we don't have 4K available. We're not certain that we are going to be able to have 4K because it actually crops in on the image in order to have that stabilization 360 motion. And so to be able to do that, 5.3K may not be enough to do that in 4K. So we're going to have to wait on that and see what comes of it. Whew. So there you have it. Quite an easy update to do. And once it's done, finally, Max Lens mod. Now, do be very cautious if you decide to go with this update. It's not officially recommended yet. It hasn't been fully tested. So if you do install it, there could be some sort of glitches or problems that occur. And if that does happen, then please come along to the community boards at GoPro, or join us at GoPro Filmmakers or the GoPro Hero 10 group that I'll link below, and let us know how you get on with the update and if you have any problems. So just a quick one from me today, and I'll see you on the next one.